Today I'm going to give you guys a little ride around the Mustang. This is a 2014. Everyone knows what it is if you watch the channel. If you don't, it's a 2014 GT with 373 gears, 4,000 stall, Circle D 5C converter, Boss intake, E85, JLT cold air, and Viking rear shocks. Pretty much is all it's done to the car. It's tuned on E85. So last time it was tuned, it made 399 wheel horsepower, 370 foot-pounds of torque. Right now it's probably around 415 for, maybe 380 foot-pounds. It has run 11.9 at the track, 160 60 foots, and the car weighed 3,510 pounds without me in it, and way over 3,700 with me in it. Not way over, but probably 3,730, right around there with me in it. So I'm gonna give you guys a little ride here. I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit as I'm going. I'm gonna record it and show you guys what the car looks like on the Speedo when it's a stall. Because some guys might not know. I don't know. Most of the guys know in here what a stall is, but some guys are a little bit they don't understand in a stall how it works, and I never really understood it either. But it's pretty cool. It makes it really makes the slingshot out of the hole really good. But cruising, you don't really feel it. And I mean, people act like a 4,000 stall was going to be crazy, but honestly, there's nothing really to it. It's not really that crazy. So, just cruising through the neighborhood. It's normal, every day. Sometimes it is a little snappy, shifting gears sometimes. Depends on how hard you are on the throttle. But honestly, it's not bad at all. I'm going to shut this off and zoom in a little bit better so you guys can see it. Started here and see how it is. Cruising through the neighborhood, as you guys can tell. Right now it's just slipping a little bit. You can feel it slipping, but it's not horrible. You do feel it slip though, I can tell you that much. It does feel like it's slipping a little bit. As long as you're not hard on the throttle, it has no problem. It stays in the gear it needs to, and when you want to get on it, it will get going. I wasn't really, when I first got the stall, the tube that London had given me wasn't that good. I couldn't get the car to shift all the time right. Sometimes it would hold out way too long and then it'd bang on the rev limiter, which everyone knows if you're new to the channel. This is new news to you, but anybody that watched saw it was throwing wrench lights there at the end. But now that I went with a local tuner, the guy here in Vegas, the car's great, it shifts great. It's never ran like it has at the track. I think in a higher DA, and probably the highest DA it was that night was at 2,500 foot, and I ran a 12 flat, which the car never ran that in a 2,500 foot DA. It always ran like 12.3, 12.4, but it's running really good now. It's really, really good. See, when you start out from a dead stop, it's nothing. The stall just slips a little bit. You feel it slipping. That's it. You can watch the tack right now and see what I mean. Just a little slip. Nothing crazy. Taking some time to shift into gears. That's what I don't like about the 6R80 too much, but when you're all on it now, it shifts fast. It's good and quick. Slipping to about 4,000. You can feel it still slipping. Doing like 60 miles an hour and it's slipping. You can feel it slipping a little bit. Slow down here and see if I can get the flash for you. Get my screen. by a couple guys. Janssen 50. He has the same car pretty much as me, but he's on nitrous. And he was asking me what my car flashes at. And there was another guy who was asking me on YouTube too, or on Instagram, about the flash of my converter, how it flashes, where it flashes at. Honestly, I can't tell when I'm driving a car, and I really don't look down that much when I'm getting on it. But I'll show you here. It's an open spot in the road. It has no problem now downshifting and getting through the gears. Slipping there at low RPMs. It slips to about 4,000, it feels like, whenever it's rolling like that. 3,800 maybe, 3,600. It's hard to tell. I'm gonna turn around down here and come back and see. I am on my radials right now, so it does kind of grip better, but we'll see what it's like down here. I flip it around. Some of this video I'll probably end up chopping up, because I don't want you guys just sitting there watching me drive my car around looking stupid. But we'll see. I'm not going to do a burnout here. I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like from the dead stop. This is no brake at all, it's just flooring it. It spun too much that time. It really didn't flash, just sitting there spinning too much. Let me see what it does right here. I'm going to do it at a slower pace here and see what it does. There we go. Now let's just flat foot this off the start. Man. Can't do it. Won't let it. Even with the drag radials on it, it's just spinning too much. Out because all it does is spin. Going all crazy, getting marks. It'd be nice to be able to get a run in here, but it's not going to do it today. First and second, even third, it's starting to spin. It's crazy. But it drives like any other auto with a stall. I mean, even when it wasn't stalled, it just had a little bit, it was tighter off the start. It didn't slip like, right now you can feel it like kind of surging a little bit, but a little tighter whenever you don't have a stall. But I love it with the stall. It's amazing how good this car runs with the stall. At the track, it's unreal. Right now I just can't get traction. I thought today I probably would be able to get traction, but it's too cold weather. The car it runs too good in cold weather. So this is my talk. Like I said, this is a Circle D 5C stall. If you have an automatic that's minimal mods, and you're not making a bunch of power, and you want to try to at least run the best you can, put a stall in your car. I know they're expensive, but it's honestly the biggest bang for your buck. I mean, if you know a stall is the biggest bang for your buck you can get. Hands down, you can't touch this car with a stall for an auto for auto. I'd love to race anybody that has a car with without a stall and just see what we can do. Maybe you'll beat me. A lot of guys are saying there's something wrong with my car, they think, but I mean, I run some impressive times with this car. I think 11.9 for a 6R80 in Vegas is pretty good. But I mean, I don't have no exhaust except for the cat delete and axle backs. So honestly, I think it's pretty good, this car. I see nothing wrong with it. But that's it for today, guys. This is the stall talk. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you want some more of this content, and I'll get back with you more just later. There'll be some more racing coming up here real soon, so I'll catch you guys whenever I start racing again. I'll be having other videos. And anything else you guys think of that you want to hear, if there's any questions you have about this car, let me know, and I'll make another video of it for you guys. Talk to you later.